test on using the ultrasonic cleaner to get the powder off of the hanging hooks for Multi-Equip Corporation. And we did a quick test with one, and it came out about 2 hours, came out very good. So we're gonna run all of them they sent. The thing you need to be aware of is that the first time you run it, because of the buildup, it may take a little longer than when you get into a regular schedule of cleaning. So we're just gonna put them all in the tank. Tank's set at about 150 degrees using the Jemstrip 477, I think it is, 467. I'm just gonna put it in the tank. And it's 220. And we'll check on it about every half hour. About 30 minutes, we're gonna check to see how they're doing so far. Pull them out here and have a look. So some of the smaller ones are done. They just need to be rinsed off. So then we got you can see that one's not quite, that one's done. So some of it depends on the shape and how much material was on them, but they're doing really well. We'll put them back in. Let them keep going, the rest of them. Okay, so we're at the 1 hour mark, so let's take a look and see where we are. Let's check this. Pull that out. And let's see. Okay. Some more of the little heavier ones or smaller ones are good shape. We still have some coating on the heavy ones, but it's coming off. The green's about gone, and the black is pretty thick. So as you can see, the thicker the coating, the longer it's going to take. These were pretty good. So we got a couple more that are done in 1 hour. We'll put it back in and check it another half hour. So we're at 90 minutes now. Let's pull it out. See where we are. You can see it's still pretty warm. And if we were to rinse those, they'd be good 90 minutes. Better than I thought it would be. Yep. Well, some of it was a little harder than the others, but if we scrubbed it, set this back in for the last 30 minutes. And we've done no scrubbing on these at all. Just got a little bit left on this one. We'll put it back in the tank, but that's 90 minutes. That's really good.
First application, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah, it is. So we'll put that one back in the tank for the last one, and we'll check it in 30 minutes. Here we are at the 2 hour mark. We're going to pull them out, see what they look like. That should be pretty close to done. Don't forget, we haven't scrubbed at all on these. These have just been with the ultrasonic action from the tank and the temp. So let's see. Easy to get out. Warm them. There you go. If there's a little residual, a little water and a brush would get that off. There you go, like that. So, 2 hours, and this is worst case scenario probably. These are pretty crusted up. Lots of material on them. That one could use a little bit more, or even just a little brush. So, yep, minimal scrubbing. Let the machine do all the work.
Okay, that's a wrap. Thanks.
There you go. Okay, and we'll ship them back to you for your inspection shortly.